again.
Yeah, we're not really sure where it left off.
No, we're not.
But yeah, we're
we were in the midst of a very good discussion yesterday.
and I'm sure that GoPro missed most of it. We have no idea why it missed it, but you know, it's one of them things that you have absolutely no control over.
Yeah, we were just humming right along and then realized the light wasn't on.
Yeah, I looked down, the GoPro was dead. Didn't even do the little beep. You know, you always hear the little beep when they cut off.
There was no beep.
No beep. It
No
just
beep.
died.
No beep.
So, hopefully, y'all hang with us for at least a little bit.
Yeah.
We're in Alabaster, Alabama is where we stopped for the night. That was 11 hours of driving. That was, Angie said that was enough.
Yeah, I was tired, and so I needed to get some rest. And so anyway, now we're trying to get out of Alabaster and head on down to Biloxi. If we can get through this stoplight.
Yeah, if we can get through the light here. I'm not sure what.
They gave you a red.
Yeah.
So anyway, we were hitting yesterday on.
I figured running the red light in front of the cop there would have been a bad idea.
Not good.
That would have started the morning off.
Yeah, just perfect. Let's start it off with the ticket. So,
we got cars sitting in the yellow line beside us.
Wow.
They're stacked up everywhere here. Alabaster's way busier than it looked on the map. Just saying.
Yeah. So let's get back to what we were talking about yesterday. We were talking about the power tour.
Yes.
And that we weren't going to be able to make
Power
it.
Tour West.
And we're really sad. But like we said, we're going to help you guys out. We're going to do the route just like we were going. The directions, help them out.
Yes.
And then we're also going to put up some coverage this weekend of Biloxi when we get down here. Show you what this is all about. And we hope you guys hang out with us and stick with us. Hang on, David will be right back with you. We're getting up to speed here. Get with interstate.
We're merging in morning traffic.
That's right. That's right. So we have what, about 3 hours left?
4 hours, 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. 4 hours and 15
So by the time we put gas in the car, stop and pee,
Yeah.
get some lunch,
Yeah.
it will be 5 hours.
Okay. Okay.
So we will be there.
Oh, I know what we were talking about yesterday when it went off. I just remembered.
What?
We were talking about that we
You
had.
have an epiphany?
I'm sorry. I'm not really awake yet. You know, it takes me a few minutes. We were talking about that we hadn't really hit on the channel about what exactly would happen to me.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna hit on that. We're gonna do an episode for you guys and bring you up to speed. We might shoot to do it. The holidays are real important to us because that's when
Christmas Eve is when Angie went to the hospital.
So maybe around the holidays, around Christmas, we'll sit down and do.
We'll do an Angie story.
We'll do an Angie story. Okay. And bring you guys up to speed on kind of our story. What kind of made us into A&D.
That's right.
So y'all stay with us on that, and we hope you enjoy it when we do put it out. You'll have to leave me some feedback.
It's the train wreck of how we got here, buddy.
It is, but we want to share it with y'all. You know, we appreciate you watching. So we want you to know.
Angie is rare enough that she has made it in the American Medical Journal, and I know she's rare enough because she puts up with me, but she's even more rare than that. It's more than y'all know.
Yes.
So
anyway, stay tuned for some Biloxi coverage. We're gonna have a blast this weekend. We're gonna meet up with some old friends and
are going to meet up. We're going to meet up with our buddies that we fixed on the 2017 Power Tour.
We are.
2017 Power Tour. They were broke down at a gas station, and we fixed their car, and we have become lifelong friends since then.
We are. We'll shout out to our Tampa Cruisers.
Yeah, our Tampa Cruisers. So
we're gonna hook up with them, and there's some rumble that we might even do a podcast with a friend we met.
If y'all are watching this on YouTube, look up Crew Cabs on YouTube. Crew Cabs with a Z. It's all one word, but instead of Crew Cabs with an S on the end, it's a Z on the end. And we're going to be doing a podcast on his YouTube channel at Biloxi, Cruisin the Coast. So y'all are going to want to look for that.
Yeah, check it out. We actually met him on Power Tour when he was hanging, literally hanging out of the passenger side window, shooting coverage of all of us.
He did. I could recognize by the way he was holding the camera, the way he was portraying the shots, that he was a videographer that knew what he was doing.
Yes.
Because he got some amazing footage.
He did.
And it just looked like if it was effortless that he was just, you know, just hanging out chilling. But he had his act together and made awesome footage.
He did.
Like I say, a lot of people can shoot footage.
Oh yeah.
We shoot a whole lot of crap. We shoot crappy footage all the time.
If you see bad footage on our channel, it's probably my fault.
I mean, you know.
I am awful. I'm awful at it.
You can recognize bad footage really easy, but when you see good footage,
oh yeah,
you gotta compliment him. And this guy, his name's Tony. His channel's Crew Cabs. He gets awesome footage. I mean, I gotta give him props. He's way better at, you know, rolling shots footage than I am, so. Giving him a shout out. He's a small channel too, like us.
Yes.
But he is really talented on his videography. So
that's right. And if y'all haven't noticed, we've upped our game a little bit on this.
On the GoPro failing.
It's probably because I do bad footage, and David's tired of having to weed through all of my snippets. We'll call them snippets.
Snippets.
But we upped our game and put the GoPro in here to try to be able to talk to you guys while we drive down the road and it not look like a train wreck. So.
Well, I'm sure the GoPro cutting off and the camera cutting on and off is going to make it look like a train wreck. But it was not on purpose that we train wrecked.
We were really trying to bring it. So we're going to work. How about this, guys? We're going to work all these kinks out now before Power Tour next year, so we can get some really good footage and it not cut off.
Yeah, well, I still ain't figured out why. I don't know. I ain't got any idea why.
So we're gonna end this video like we end every video.
Like we end all our videos.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.